Well, crazy racing, right? Jesus, I have no clue what happened after
Are you stuck on it? Yeah, it's all the cars. Oh. Trying to get out of the way.
Watch out, crazy racing. Not good.
I just wanna see the light.
The strap on the left wheel.
Gotta take care of your equipment, guys. Always, no matter what. We may not be a big race team like a lot of the drivers and a lot of the cars here, but don't mean we can't take care of our equipment.
5, 4, 4.
We just got the tires given to the Hoosier guys. They're gonna mount some, actually I don't know who they are. The tire guys. We're gonna have them mount some new tires for us, and so we can have some fresh set for qualifying when we go out in the second session of the day. First session's practice, then it's quali, then race. Right into it, so welcome to NASA Racing. I'm excited. Either way, it's a beautiful morning, so I'm feeling ready. Car is looking beautiful, and we're almost completely done. So let's get going.
So how was it?
It was really good. I had a really good time. I need to work on my heel and toe a lot. You know, it's a new car for me. It's a new environment. I've only been in this one time, so I need to learn my heel toe a lot more. I need to practice my shifting a lot more. I want to really take care of the car. It's not my vehicle. It's my coach's vehicle, so, you know, I got to replace some parts on it, and it's going to be expensive if I do. So I really have to take care of my equipment. I really want to practice my shifting a little bit more. I made a couple careless mistakes out there with the shifting, as in just not knowledgeable enough on my shifting. So my heel toe needs to get better, and you know, I basically got thrown in the deep end. I mean, there's a lot of cars out there, so I really want to focus in. I'm going to talk to Juan Say. I want to talk about, you know, what I can do better, how I can focus in, because it was hectic out there. I do have to admit, you know, it's a new car, it's crazy. So,
are you having fun?
I'm having a blast, actually. It's hot, but I'm having a great time. I'm going to get going and check this out. So what we're doing right now, we're changing tires. We just got them mounted earlier today, and right now we're going to change these tires out. So, you know, we got to take them off. I feel like a Formula 1 pit stopper. Look at that, Red Bull Racing. Hire me. Unfortunately, the gear selector decided to literally fail right when I get to the grid. So yeah, like I put it in neutral and it went in reverse, and then I tried putting it in back into neutral and it stayed in reverse. And past that, so it's stuck in reverse right now. Apparently, something's wrong with the transmission that they're gonna fix, which thank God wasn't my fault. Like I was so scared when it stopped working. I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna replace the transmission, and it's expensive. But thank God it wasn't me. It's just an old transmission. So I'm happy, but I'm really bummed out right now that I'm not racing. But I'm gonna go watch my my other buddy. He's racing right now, so at least I can learn something off track. So I'm gonna go get my shoes on real quick and get out of here. Alright, so right now you can tell the car is off the ground. We are replacing the transmission. We came here to race. We're going to do one thing and one thing only, and that's race. So we got a transmission from, thank God, BSI has an extra one. We bought it from them, and right now we're in the process of changing it. Juan is going to teach me how to change the transmission on a Miata. I'm really stoked, and we're going to be working, not super late, but definitely going to be working our butts off tonight so we can be on track tomorrow and have some strong results.
Trying to break your car.
Never mind, I don't know.
Oh no, I'm taking the top bolts out.
Oh, okay.
Well, the medium. It's easier from the top than from the bottom.
Es 12.
Hold on, doesn't matter. I just need to. Oh, yeah, do it, do it.
Yeah. We are gonna finish in the morning right now. We're I don't how many like I don't know where you'd say like we're 80% done.
40.
Alright, 40% done. But we're gonna finish tomorrow morning because the first session's not till 9:20. I'm gonna go buy Jonathan dinner because he helped us out. And then we're gonna hit it strong tomorrow morning. We're gonna show up a little earlier and you know basically drop it out and then replace it, put a new one in. So. We've been here for a couple hours. Yeah, having a little issues trying to get it out, but it's alright. We're moving forward, so tomorrow morning should be good. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you spread some love today. See you tomorrow, guys.